राधे राधे। यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानामधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। Whenever the evil rises or whenever the evil crisis upon the sadhu and saints, the world has to take the divine intervention. So the God took the 24 avatars to protect this society. From that we are gonna see the first avatar, the Matsya avatar. When the Brahmaji was sleeping, he was feeling sleepy, and the Vedas started to come out of his mouth. And the Vedas started to come out of his mouth. There are 4 Vedas: Rigved, Samved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. And there was a demon named Hayagriv who lived near him. While the Brahmaji was sleeping, the demon stole all the Vedas and ran towards the deepest point of the ocean. Now the Lord has understood the efforts of Hayagriv, so he thought that now he has to take all the Vedas from his hand. So he took the first avatar, Matsya avatar. There was a king named Rajrishi Satyavrata who ruled the Dravidian country. And one day he was doing tapasya at the peak of Malaya mountain while only drinking water, and while offering the tarpan to the Kritmala river, a small fish came into his onjali. He saw him and he released him back into the water. So at that time the fish prayed very fervently, "Hey Lord, please save me or those aquatic animals will kill me." After the king heard him, he put him into the small vessel. But that fish grew so much that small vessel was also the insufficient space for him. So now the king put him into this big clay pot. He put him into the big clay pot and he grew 3 feet longer, and that space was also insufficient for him. So now the king put him into the big lake, and within a short time it grew so much that he assumed the form of Mahamatsya. So in whichever river he came, it will grow much bigger. So now the king put him into the sea, and after he put him into the sea, that fish again started to pray with a great compassion, "हे राजन, आप मुझे इसमें ना छोड़े, मेरी रक्षा करें." Now the king questioned him, "Who are you to fascinate me by assuming this form of fish? You are definitely not the normal fish. You are definitely someone almighty and Avinashi Shri Hari." The king had now realized that he is definitely not the normal fish. He is definitely someone with a big status. So now the Lord Matsya said, "On the 7th day from today, all the 3 realms are going to drown in the sea. So I am going to bring you the big heavy boat, and you have to bring all the living beings, all the 7 sages and all the medicines and seeds with you, and climb onto the boat." Climb onto the boat. After the Lord Matsya said, he disappeared. On the 7th day, all the 3 realms were drowning in the sea as per the Lord said, and the Lord Matsya appeared. The king was watching him. His body grew much bigger, like a 4 lakh toes, and his body was splendid like a gold. And the king was very impressed by the Lord Matsya, and he started to praise him. The Lord was also very pleased with him, so he thought the complete secret of his form, which we call Matsya Purana. And the Brahmaji lost his sleep now. The Lord Matsya also killed the demon Hayagriv and returned all the Shrutiyas and all the Vedas to the Brahmaji. So this is all about the first avatar, Matsya avatar. Radhe Radhe.